Hello and welcome to tutorial on how to use HelpDesk web application using web services onClick. HelpDesk application has two parts. First part is knowledge bases that are answers to the most frequently asked questions, and second part the admin panel where you manage the settings of your knowledge bases, your ticket application, and reply to questions or tickets. So first of all, we need to connect our site with the HelpDesk application. So go to your site, go to Divi, Theme Customizer, Meny, and Meny 1, and add items. So we want to add custom link, and just copy your URL to your HelpDesk application and enter the link text HelpDesk and click add to meny. So now we have another meny item here in our meny HelpDesk. Let's try that. So here is our HelpDesk. Let's try this button. So okay, this is the HelpDesk that user sees. He has to register. He inserts an email. We will use a test email for these purposes. And first name, last name, password. And submit. And now user registration is successfully added. So here customer can search for answers, or he can go to his meny and dashboard and add a ticket. So here is the meny, here is the dashboard. Here a customer can see active tickets, closed, required tickets. So when he goes to open ticket, he must enter the ticket subject. For example, question about many items. He sets up the priority and the category, for example on design, and types in the ticket body or the question. So on the right corner he gets the suggested knowledge, and here he can use the file, for example a screenshot. So here the ticket was successfully opened. Now this is the ticket status. He can see the file attached, the ticket priority, and when the admin goes to the dashboard, here we can see assigned tickets, active paid tickets, total closed tickets, and a lot of options. So the day report on assigned and closed tickets. So when you go to the bell on notification, new ticket is assigned to you. So admin sees this question, how can I add many items, and admin or your agent your employee or whoever is managing this with you can type in the answer, and of course choose a file for that, and he can add admin notes here and admin work log, and when you click on the reply, the ticket is replied, successfully added. So when the user goes to his dashboard, this is the adding menu items, so he gets the answer. So now let's go to the knowledge. This is the knowledge basis. So this is the list of frequently asked questions. Here we can add new, so add a title, for example, styling buttons, and choose a category and insert a knowledge body. It can be sticky or pinned if you want. You can change the color of text, font. It can be bolded, underlined, italic. Here you can add the tags, so it is easier to manage the site and attach a file. So we can have a featured video or featured image, and go to status, published, and save. And this knowledge is being successfully added. So when the user goes to knowledge, here is recent articles, and with the category design, it is added that knowledge item. So here is that knowledge item. Is it helpful? So this is a good way for the feedback of your users. Users can also write your feedback or just put a thumbs up. Now we can add category, so go to add new, and for example this will be for network problems. You can choose a parent category, no parent for this, and you can choose where to show on knowledge, on ticket. So category was successfully added. So you have here predefined or canned messages. We can add new predefined or canned messages. And save it. So here is our new canned message. So let's go to admin settings and app settings. So here are the basic settings: the app title, the admin panel language, the date format. You can disable default login, disable registration. So let's go to CAPTCHA. It can be default or Google reCAPTCHA, CAPTCHA length, and CAPTCHA string type, alphanumeric or numeric. So we can change the layout and color. Let me put here some blue color, and you can have main color and header color of your HelpDesk application, and go to save. Let's see now what this looks like. It is now the color has changed. Also you can change the theme, so you have two themes, default theme and the second theme. So when we refresh, we get this fresh new theme. So we go now to file upload settings. So the maximum upload file size, we will put it to 90 megabytes. You can choose whatever you want. Go to ticket settings, so enable guest ticket, enable public ticket. and a lot of other options. So notification, email notification settings, on-screen notification settings, on ticket user reply. You can go to the security settings and email settings. So from name, your name, and from email. So a user gets an email every time he creates a ticket. So this is really helpful. Or when the ticket is answered, he also gets the email. You can have a chat, like on your site you can have on HelpDesk, you can have chat. So let's choose default chat with the chat button icon, and here we can log in again. So here is our CAPTCHA showing as we set it on our settings. So here is a live chat. So the user can chat with admins or your agents. So here is a welcome and footer text. You can type whatever you like. You have welcome message, footer text, email footer text, and site copyright text. So this is the ticket assign rule. You can add new rule. So you choose the category and rule type assign or notify, and select the user and save. So ticket rule assigned successfully. So here you have a large number of email templates. You can edit every template. For example, this is a template for welcome site. You can add custom fields. Let's add some custom field label, enter the help text, choose a category, and the type, for example, date, and check if it is required, private, and save it. So now we can edit the site menu. So you can add, just like on your site, here you can add items to your menu. You can choose the type and the icon. So in new window, not in new window. So new menu item successfully added. So this is our new menu item. So you can add a toolbar icon, for example, if you want. So this is an IP list of all the IPs that were on your site, and this is the lock users, so you can lock some users or deny access for some users. And this is the list of your pages. We have only one page, so this is we want to add some announcements. So for example, non-working days, so you can choose who will be noticed for this. So site users or admin panel users. You can define the start date and the end date. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next tutorial. Cheers!